Okay, I have an interesting question for you. How do you complete this sentence? To build a sustainable future, do we need global innovation or local approaches? I love to come here because I can always get fresh fruits and vegetables from smallholder farmers. So I'm sure about the quality and it's good. But being a farmer in this time, it's not easy. There is increased temperatures, we experience more rainfall than usual, and we have droughts. So today we are going to meet some of the farmers that we work with who are adapting to the impacts of climate change.
My soil has actually improved. I am using the grass, which is an organic fertilizer from black soldier flies, and it has actually improved my soil fertility. So the future is actually bright.
This is a collective effort. It's actually a call for all of us to come together and we embrace local indigenous technologies and bring in global innovations. Because this will empower smallholder farmers to change their livelihoods as well as adapt to the impacts of climate change.